hydrogen systems are unforgiving. One poor weld can cause catastrophic leaks or failures under pressure. The TATE orbital welding machine is designed for extreme integrity, delivering defect-free welds for high-purity and high-pressure hydrogen applications. From electrolyzer tubing to fueling station pipelines, every weld is made in a controlled environment with optimal shielding gas and weld profiles. It supports stainless steel and nickel alloys, ensuring structural strength and chemical resistance. When safety is everything, trust in orbital precision. TATE empowers clean energy with confidence. Let's build your hydrogen infrastructure together.